Exercise 9.4, question number 22. In a culture, the bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number is increased by 10% in 2 hours. In how many hours will the count reach 2 lakh if the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to number present? Okay. So, solution. Okay. Rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. Okay. So let Y be bacteria at any instant t. Okay. So this can be written as dy by dt equals to ky. Separating the variables, dy by y equals to k dt. Integrating both sides. So log y equals to kt plus c. Okay. Or we can write log c. Okay. Let this be equation 1. Okay. Till here, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is given at t equals to 0 initially? Okay, at t equals to 0, y equals to 1 lakh. Okay. So we'll substitute this, that is log of y is 1 lakh. Okay. That is equal to k 0 plus log c. Okay. That is equal to log of 1 lakh equals to log c. Okay. Now, substituting the value of log c again in equation 1, we'll get log of y equals to kt plus log of 1 lakh. Okay. Now, second condition is given at t equals to 2. When time is 2 hours, the number is increased by 10%. If it is increased by 10%, initially it was 1 lakh. Okay. If it is increased by 10% means it is increased by 10 by 100 of 1 lakh. Okay. Okay. That is equal to 110000. Okay. So when t equals to 2, y will be equal to this number. Okay. So substituting this also in equation 1, that is equal to log of 110000 equals to 2k plus log of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So basically this we have substituted here only because log c we have already found. Okay. These two equations are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
log of 1,10,000 minus log of 1 lakh equals to 2k. So this will be equal to log of 11 by 10 because log a by b is log a upon b is equal to 2k, or we'll get k equals to 1 by 2 log of 11 by 10. Okay. So now the highlighted equation, in this I am going to put the value of k. Okay. That is equal to log of y equals to 1 by 2 log of 11 by 10 t plus log of 1 lakh. Okay. Now it is given in how many hours will the count reach 2 lakh. Okay. So suppose count reach 2 lakh at time equals to capital T. Okay. That means y equals to 2 lakh and time t equals to capital T. Okay. So in the above equation, we are going to substitute this y and t. Okay. that is equal to log of 2 lakh equals to 1 by 2 log of 11 by 10. T is capital T plus log of 1 lakh. Okay, so this will be equal to log of 2 lakh minus log of 1 lakh, so it will be log 2 only. Okay, that is equal to T by 2 log of 11 by 10, or capital T can be written as 2 log 2 upon log of 11 by 10. This is the answer.